Welcome to Cardano, a blockchain built on rigorous, peer-reviewed research.
You've seen the symbol. You've heard the name. But what is Cardano? And why is this unique network poised? Cardano's methodical approach solves real-world problems. It addresses limitations of existing systems, making a tangible difference in the digital world. Tired of energy concerns? Cardano's Ouroboros Proof-of-Stake system secures the network, significantly less environmental impact. This is smart, green crypto. Want to empower Cardano and earn rewards? Staking your ADA is simple. It directly contributes to network security. Grow your holdings, support the future. Cardano handles payments and complex apps with 2 layers, a unique, smart separation of concerns. This blueprint offers maximum power.
Imagine agreements that execute themselves without intermediaries. Cardano's smart cracks make this a reality.
Why limit blockchain to one coin? Cardano's native assets feature lets anyone create their own digital currencies and tokens with ease.
Want a say in Cardano's future? Project Catalyst empowers the community to vote on and fund impactful developments. Your voice shapes innovation.
The possibilities are endless. From decentralized finance to unique digital collectibles, Cardano's application...
What's next for Cardano's speed? Get ready for Hydra. This groundbreaking solution promises to take performance to the next hyperfast level. Cardano's progress is driven by a world-class team of scientists and engineers. They are dedicated to building a robust, reliable, and secure future. ADA is more than a cryptocurrency. It's the fuel that powers the entire Cardano ecosystem, enabling participation and unlocking vast potential.
Cardano is not just another blockchain. It's a scientifically backed, sustainable platform.
Ready to join the Cardano revolution? Visit cardano.org now. Explore the community and discover how you can get involved today.